You're a little close to me. Who the fuck is that?
Oh my god, it's one of those fucking Japanese trucks.
Dude, you better do donuts in that thing, dude.
Sorry, bro. If someone hits me, I gotta throw hands.
Yo,
Nah, he's not even close.
If we...
Bro, he put the shites. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. I like it, bro. I like it. I like it. I like it. I like it. I like it.
Most clap
I like it.
I've ever seen in my life. So fire.
I like it. Oh my. Hold on. Can you? Hold on. Hold my GoPro. Hold it real quick. My fly is down, bro. Crazy.
I hope I get it.
This the one I seen it when I was driving.
I don't see it. Got the motherfucking beep in the top.
Bro, I got the Hondeezy, bro. What is this?
Scion.
We got every car in the fucking meet. We got on film. We got that. My bad. We got that 4K. I want people to do donuts and shit. I'm not gonna lie, bro. I'm just waiting for someone to do something. I know someone's gonna do something. I know one of these motherfuckers is gonna start doing donuts. Right here. That's crazy. He said they're about to do donuts. Mustang. Yeah? Hold on. Let me close my shit. Damn! The AM.
It smells like in the 80s, boy. You smell that fucking no catalytic converter?
What the fuck? This dude was not at the meet. Bro, this is like a supercar next to me, bro.
I'm gonna have to alley cute. Really cute, though.
There's a supercar, bro. That was not at the meet. I think it's an Audi A8, but whatever the fuck. I could be wrong though. I don't really know. Oh shit. Dude's driving like a maniac, bro. Alright, so we had a nice little car meet. We had some donuts, some burnouts, all that. I think at this point I'm gonna hit the crib. But we gotta get some gas first. I could give you a little, you know, driving, POV driving me home, you know what I'm saying? Alright, we filling up that gas, you know what I'm saying? My car is so dusty right now, it's not even funny. I was gonna wash it, but it's like the first nice day out in quite a while, so I didn't really have an opportunity because the car wash was like completely packed all day. Hopefully I can wash it. I might go and wash it right now, I don't really know, but I'll be able to. But I couldn't before the meet, unfortunately. But you know what, it's okay. It's just real dusty, real like water murky, real dusty. Yeah, it's not good. But we getting some gas. You know where we're at. If you know where we're at, you know where we're at. And about to probably hit the crib. That shit was fun and all, you know. Damn, what are you doing?
Rob. He's beefing with me.
Alright guys, thank you for watching the video. Hit that like, subscribe, and we gone. See you in the next video. Thank you.